For years, Park Hall Primary and Infant School has been battling repeated break-ins, leaving the institution counting its losses. Now, the board chairman is calling for urgent action to better protect the school and the students it serves. Yannick Williams explains.
The school compound is once again a crime scene. Broken windows, damaged locks, and classrooms searched by thieves who struck under the cover of darkness. For the staff and students of Park Hall Primary and Infant School, it's a devastating sight that has become all too familiar. School Board Chairman Karen Carty says this is not the first time criminals have targeted the institution.
It is surprising to know that the school has been broken into so often. And I really want to appeal to the ministry.
And when you analyze the break-ins, what they are looking for, we don't know. Because this is a school that needs more help than damage.
She says the school has been repeatedly targeted by thieves who have stolen equipment and caused extensive damage. The most alarming incident happened a few months ago when intruders allegedly tried to set the building on fire from the cooking gas area after failing to find what they were looking for.
There's no way you can have a school in the community that your child or children is benefiting from. And at the end of the day, it is going into unlike months apart or as often as they feel that it should be broken into.
With repeated break-ins, it is now draining the school's limited resources, forcing funds meant for education to be diverted to repairs, replacing stolen items and improving security.
For persons to be breaking into the school, it is very bad. And I am not going to accept something like this been going on. Remember that when they do break-ins and the school has to be repaired, it comes with a cost. And as far as I am concerned, nobody is leaving from other parishes to come to Clarendon in Park Hall to break Park Hall Primary.
Ms. Carty is now appealing to the authorities for stronger security measures and greater protection for schools in rural communities.
Implement a security system to protect students and staff and to secure the premises at night. Also, I'm appealing for a camera system and to upgrade the doors at the school to metals and also for the doors to be grilled for safety.
In the meantime, school officials are urging anyone with information that could assist to come forward as they seek to prevent another attack on the institution. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.